Borneo, the third largest island on Earth, home to one of the richest ecosystems ever known. From dense rainforest to winding rivers, it shelters some of the planet's most extraordinary and endangered wildlife. I spent a week in Sabah along the Kinabatangan River in a small village called Sukau. One primate there is no shortage of in Sabah is the long-tailed macaque. Native to Southeast Asia, these adaptable monkeys thrive everywhere from dense jungle to riverbanks and even human settlements. Macaques are as intelligent as they are opportunistic. But it's their social lives that truly define them. Living in troops of up to 50 individuals, each group is structured in a strict hierarchy, where dominance determines everything from food access to mating rights. Constant grooming, conflict, and cooperation shape daily life. In this river system lives another most unusual primate, the proboscis monkey. With their large noses, pot-bellied bodies, and long limbs, they're built for life in the trees, but when danger strikes, they take to the water, leaping from branches and swimming with surprising agility and speed. Deep in the Sabah jungle, Tong caves come alive with sound, home to thousands of bats and swiftlets. In the darkness below, giant centipedes roam, hunting insects and even small vertebrae in total darkness. At the top of a 500-step climb just off the cave trail, I was met with sweeping views and an encounter I had been hoping for. A mother orangutan and her baby clinging tightly to her. Found only in shrinking pockets of rainforest, their numbers have declined rapidly due to habitat loss. In Sabah, just a few thousand of them remain in the wild. Mothers share an especially close bond with their young, raising them for years as they learn how to survive in the canopy. Each sighting is rare, a fleeting glimpse of a species fighting to endure. My last day along the river, little seemed to be stirring, but Sabah had one more encounter to offer. At the water's edge, a herd of pygmy elephants. Moving slowly, they feed along the riverbank. Despite their size, they swim with ease, using the river to travel, cool down, and survive. Here, the river is everything.